Hi, I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going over our 16 by 25 by 1 MERV 13 filter. We do filters in different efficiency ratings, which are known by MERV, which is Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value. And that basically tells you how efficient the filter is going to be at filtering out smaller and smaller particles every time the air passes through the filter. So MERV 13 is one of the highest ratings for a MERV rating. We begin making filters at a MERV 8 level, and we delineate our different filters with the media color. This one is green, and that's the MERV 13. We also do blue, which is MERV 11. That's the efficiency rating, and then we do the white, which is the MERV 8. MERV 8 is a good starting level for filtration to help improve air quality. MERV 11 is good for allergy sufferers, and MERV 11 and 13 are used in high-end commercial buildings. So this would be the highest level, which will filter down to the size of particles as small as viruses. So the one thing you want to look at when you're looking at your filter sizing is filters are measured by what's called a nominal size, which is a rounded size. So this says 16 by 25 by 5, but then we also have underneath that, we have the actual size. And the actual size on this one is going to be 15.5 by 24.5 by 0.75 will be the depth. So you just want to make sure that you're getting the correct size. So if you need to double check, don't always trust the size that you see on the filter. Not all companies put the actual size on the filter. So you may want to just measure it and make sure you're getting the correct replacement. So you can find our filters. We sell them on Amazon, and just look up for Atomic Filters 16 by 25 by 1 MERV 13 filter. And of course you can find all the different efficiencies that we make them in: MERV 8, MERV 11, and MERV 13, which is the highest quality. Thank you for tuning in.